What is the difference between a heat pump and an air conditioner? A heat pump can both cool and heat your home, while an air conditioner only cools it. Both systems use electricity to move heat instead of creating cold air. During summer, each removes heat from indoor air and sends it outside, which makes your home cooler. A heat pump can reverse this process in winter, pulling heat from outdoor air and bringing it inside. Even when the outdoor air feels cold, it still contains some heat that the pump can collect. An air conditioner cannot reverse its operation, so it needs a separate furnace or other heater for cold weather. Heat pumps are often more energy efficient because moving heat usually uses less electricity than making heat with electric resistance. A useful detail many people do not know is that heat pumps can still work below freezing, although very cold weather may cause them to use backup heat. When comparing systems, check the climate, insulation, electricity prices, and the equipment's heating performance, not just its cooling rating. A common mistake is assuming a heat pump is only an air conditioner, so people may accidentally turn on expensive backup heat. Ask a technician to explain the thermostat settings. Another mistake is comparing only the purchase price, because a heat pump may replace both an air conditioner and a furnace. Compare total installation and operating costs. Some people also think a heat pump cannot heat during freezing weather, but modern models can work in cold climates. Choose equipment designed for your local winter temperatures and have it maintained regularly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.